This is a look at JVC cassette player. I think it's a recorder as well. What I've done is take the sides off and take the bottom part off to give me access to you have to excuse that, that's my fridge freezer working. Talk about noisy. It can't be helped, I suppose. That'll run for a few minutes as well. If you can't hear me, you can't hear me, I'm afraid. Anyway, yeah, this is the JVC. It's got some problems with it. It does things in some strange way. I've noticed it's not really turning the tape, and I think there's not enough power in the belt. There's a belt there, but that's the motor. This is the flywheel, and that is the belt. Now, to replace this belt, I'd have to take a lot of screws out, lift this mechanism, and it'd be quite tricky to put it back together again. Even if you take photos, what happens is you mix up the screws and right old bother. But something else that I thought about doing, perhaps you can see there, where it's probably a bit too dark here, but there's a flywheel. That's how it goes. I think you can see that. I've got access to the belt, and something I can do is to apply rubber renew to it. So I'm going to get some rubber renew and just spread it on the belt, and then move it over, spread some more on the belt, and if you can get enough on it, it should work its way through. Obviously we can't do the other side, but I don't think it really matters because the oil will just work through. And let's get some more. Put plenty on. I think that's the secret. You really sort of load more on. It's obviously quite a lot of belt because it's dry where we come. But the idea is to put as much on as you reasonably can. This does work a treat. I mean, rubber renew. It's astonishing just how good it is. I mean, you can see that this is still placing a bit more on. It's not fully dried out, so I think whilst it's still got oil to put on it, that's what I'm going to do. What should happen is that this oil should renovate the rubber belt, so it's got a bit more tension, and that's the idea. I really can't really know, but this is worth a try. Well, I'll find out when you know, put tape in and see if it works. I think that's probably about it now, actually. Can't really see much more depositing. The problem with getting a replacement belt is that unless you get a JVC one, you get a pattern one. And I've had these before, and they just disintegrate because they're made of genuine rubber, and they just gets eaten by microbes. What you need is a synthetic rubber, and I mean, if you get a genuine JVC one, but how much would that cost? I mean, you know, you've got to think about the economics when you repair something like this. Rubber renew costs something. It's quite easy to apply. You know, if you're going to go to JVC and get a part, it's going to cost more than this machine is worth. They're only worth something. JVC were not cheap machines. They were a little bit below Sony in terms of pricing, but still very expensive. Well, whoever bought this from the shop would have had to pay quite a lot of money for it. You know, what that would be in today's money, I don't know, but hundreds of pounds, actually hundreds. Right, I think that's, I don't think any more is coming out, actually. I don't want to dip and get some more because I want to see if this will do a job. The important thing is to get the oil on the hole of the belt, and to get enough onto it as well. You see, if this doesn't work, I can always apply another cotton bud worth of oil. So that's the idea. Anyway, I thought I'd show you that being tried, a repair in motion, no less. But if it does work, then it saved me a job, actually. This is an easy thing to do, and as I say, taking this apart is a bigger job entirely.